What is up, guys? Dragoon Phantom here with another video, and today we're doing something different than Beyblade. Pokemon. Now, if you don't like Pokemon and you only like Beyblade, well then sorry about that, but if you like Pokemon and Beyblade, then good. If you know anyone, friends that like Pokemon, then tell them to check out my channel, because I'm also gonna do Pokemon as well. Now, today unboxing. Oh wait, sorry guys. Is the Pokemon Sword and Shield mini portfolio. Sorry if I pronounced that wrong. Holds 60 cards. Now, I have way more than 60 cards, so that's why I got two, but we're only unboxing one. So yeah, it holds 60 cards and it comes with a little booster pack. So yeah, let's see what we get. If I can open it. Oh, right here. Okay. So So there's the little portfolio. This has the Pokemon Sword on it. I'm gonna put my Pokemon cards in here, separated by which types they are. Alright, and see what we get in this booster pack. Now guys, don't hate on me for pronouncing some Pokemon names wrong, because I probably will do it. I'm pretty sure everybody pronounces Pokemon names wrong at one time, but yeah. Hold on, I might have to get scissors. Oh wait, no, there's a little tab right here. Alright, got it open. Alright, so here it is. Get that out of the way. So we got Diglett, basic. Yeah, it is a fighting type. I think that's what it's called. Whatever. If I get it wrong again. Alright, so this is a basic type. This is Ferroseed. Again, sorry guys if I get the names wrong, but yeah. Alright. Goldeen, I believe. Water type. Hold on. Okay. Rosalia? Yeah. Joltik, I believe. Saladin? Oh my gosh, there's so many names in here. Oranguru. Oh, got a shiny one. Alright, energy switch. Dodler and Stunfisk. Yeah. Here, so let me just get this. Now, I don't know why they include, but I have too many Digletts. I don't know what I'm gonna do with them. Diglett or whatever. But yeah, here is the unboxing. There's the portfolio, and guys, I'll see you in the next video, and Dragoon out.